Alrighty folks, here we go. We got somebody fishing out on the dock here today, and it works out pretty well. And we got some folks out in the boat out there, as you can tell.
Hey big girl! We're running away!
We got some there. Oops, sorry about that. We're starting our boat flotilla today, and we got the kids out there. Got the life vest on in the boats. And we're going ahead. Some more folks. Let me walk over here for a minute. Got to get something here. We'll walk this way, and we'll see if there's any more folks. I might be going out on boats. Folks and boats. That's what it's about. Folks and boats. Give me one moment here, folks. Can you fit 2 people in that one? We got one more boat there.
Not this one. Just one.
Okay, folks. I'll have to let you go. We'll talk in a minute. Bye.